Here we are. We're about to watch this Model what?
T.
Model T. This is how you start one for all you people that don't remember.
Sir.
So what'd you do with that white thing?
So this is holding the choke back,
Okay.
just because I'm not that strong, so I can't do both at once. But I'm gonna twist it 4 times.
Okay. So you're getting good compression, getting fuel in it, right?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, talk us through it.
All right, now I've primed it.
All right.
So I took out that, and then here, let me go around to the other side.
All right.
I'm gonna put our key in, and I'm gonna set everything. So I'm gonna do, this is our spark, this is our gas.
So that's your advance
Yes.
and retard
Yes, sir.
on a lever.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I'm gonna give it a little bit of spark, a little bit more gas and spark, and then I'm gonna make sure it's in parking
So
brake.
you got a gas lever as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right.
Now I got the magneto going,
So magneto's firing. All right.
and now I should just take.
No pressure.
Then we'll put the key back. So now this is using power from the car too.
Okay. What do you do with the ignition and the gas?
I'm just kind of lowering them to get it to idle a little bit lower.
Okay. Wow.
Smooth it.
Well, that's really cool. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate that. You never know what you're going to see. Spencer, North Carolina. Cool old Ford. That's the beginning. Thank you. Y'all have a blessed day. Yeah.